boyfriend
Yes.
until you're 35 years old?
Yes.
Promise?
Yes.
Okay, this is my sign that Tasha will stay with Daddy and will not have a boyfriend. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
That's a promise? Pinky swear. Oh. That's my evidence when you get old.
Until 35, no boyfriend.
Until 35, ha?
Si Teacher 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dami star.
Until you're 35, bawal boyfriend, di ba?
Opo, si Daddy lang.
Uy, si daddy lang daw.
Si daddy lang love
Okay.
niya. Di ba? Daddy lang love mo?
Opo. Si Daddy lang.
Ano si daddy?
Daddy.
Mm.